What you playing with?
Orbeez.
It's pretty crazy, eh? It's but a tablespoon of Orbeez with water. They gotten all bigger. That's not even all of them because there's more in that little thing.
Yeah, we're trying to move them around.
See if we can make an Orbeez fountain, or almost like a lava lamp.
Yeah, that'd be cool though.
But it doesn't look like it really works all that well yet. I think we just need a bigger
Thing.
Yeah, a bigger bowl or something to use.
Danny. Come on, buddy. Hey, how you doing? He's a good boy. Hey. Hey. Snort, snort. What are you doing, Arrow?
Ooh, running away.
Whoa, I got this. Go. Got him. It's going to be awesome. Slowly.
Alright. Relax.
No!
There is no end!
Oh, look.
Ooh.
It's working. That feels kind of funny.
Bubbly. Almost.
Oh yeah.
Where did I go?
That is so cool.
There's a little water pump at the bottom. Sucks water in from underneath and pushes out through the top of the pump. And then the cord goes out the top of the vase and to get plugged in. And then the water is making Orbeez move around. Looks like getting the right mixture of water to Orbeez seems to really help it move more. We tried a few other vessels and I don't think we could get quite enough waters to Orbeez mixed to actually make it look good. So the water's not dirty, it's actually slightly pink colored or rose colored glass at the bottom. But we're moving around pretty good. So these ones are slightly translucent, these Orbeez, these water beads. We do have some other ones that are more solid color. We haven't tried them yet to see what they look like once they actually are swollen up. We'll have to check those because if they're more solid color, that might look better in the water. As it is, there's probably more Orbeez in there than it looks like because the clear or completely see-through white ones are basically invisible.
Disappearing.
Yeah, they're invisible.
Oh, got a runner.
Invisible until you get them out.
Got a runner. Where is it? There it is.
We tried two different ones off of Amazon, two different sets, each about 9 ounces. One's a bag, one's a bottle. Yeah. There's the container. Yeah, so all we used here, for a second. So, you can see the size of that. So to get that full was just that top little corner here is all we used. So you get quite a bit out of one of these 8 to 9 ounce containers. So now we got a bag in this one. Oh, double bag, so that's kind of interesting.
Dog hair out of there.
Joys of living.
Why should it be any different than the rest of the house?
Yeah. Joys of too many Aussie Shepherds. The hair be everywhere. Because this is the first time we've done these Orbeez things, we're just trying to figure out
How they actually work.
Well, we understand they just absorb water, so we're just trying to get down almost the math. How much water to get them up to full size, and what does, like a tablespoon of them end up being once they're up to their full size.
I like these pink ones.
Yeah.
Oh my, look how big this one is.
Mm-hmm.
4 cups of water.
Oh, whole thing.
We're recording.
All of it?
So now it's just about time.
Give it a little swirl, huh?
It'd be interesting to see what the white ones look like, as opposed to there are some clear ones in there, but the white ones are different. So it'll be neat. Cool. So a little glow-in-the-dark Star Wars lightsaber that is water activated. It's a
That is
dive
so
stick.
cool.
Another idea! Get that out of there.
What is it this time?
Oh, we got some Orbeez in there.
I got him.
Pour them out.
Hold on. Anyways.
What's the other one? Is the other one green?
Oh, that is so cool.
Neat. If that didn't look like eyes.
Mommy's secret stash.
What?
Oh, it changes.
Ooh,
Right,
that
he's
big
got the
one,
push
that
button.
big one. Ooh, yeah, that one, that one, that one.
I thought there was a changer.
Oh, cycles.
There! Look!
Oh, that is awesome.
Floats, yeah, so that's a little different.
But still, that is awesome.
So maybe 5 minutes later, it's starting to get bigger. I don't know if the camera picks that up, but those blue ones look funky. They almost get like a halo. Green ones show it too.
Oh yeah, because they're starting to hydrate on the outside.
Yeah,
So it's shedding.
Yeah, it's getting more translucent on the outside, while the inside's still a dry core.
Yeah.
That's cool. Got a different vase now that is clear, not slightly rose-colored. Let's see how that works. So the pump's got little suction cups on the bottom, so stick it on the bottom, run the cord up.
There's the ice cube.
Almost need some two-way tape to stick on top of the pump. It's just gonna float, but so that's what the 1 tablespoon gave us. We kind of filter back out of the water just to make sure we got rid of any dirty, yucky water.
Where's that measure?
See how much that actually essentially heaping tablespoon, how much volume we got out of the finished product.
Almost a whole cup.
Well, it's more than a cup.
Wow.
It's over 4 cups. Eh?
Yeah.
It's over 4 cups of volume.
So obviously you need to have more water than 4 cups, because to get them to hydrate right, they need to be totally suspended.
Ooh, could I just like stick this like in it?
Yep.
I need to just try that with the rubble.
Cool. Oh, there's something therapeutic about that.
Ooh, no water this time. No water.
Well, it won't work without any water.
Oh,
we
got
got some
runners.
As long as they stay on the stove.
Oh, there's more here.
Let's see what starts to kick. Some movement.
Lots of movement.
Four cups of Orbeez and 4 cups of water. Okay, pop it in microwave.
Who wants to drink it? No one.